Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken. Stay tuned. So here I have some chopped chicken that I washed under cold running water with vinegar and drained. To season the chicken, I will be using 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. After adding the seasoning, I will also add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, followed by 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and also 1 teaspoon of browning. You can add more browning if you want, but I will be braising to get the desired color, so therefore I only need 1 teaspoon of browning. So after combining the seasoning thoroughly into the chicken, I will set aside to marinate before moving on to the cooking process. So this is our seasoning product. I'll put in the fridge to marinate before I start cooking. So this is our marinade chicken. I will now add to a hot pan without oil on medium-high heat and let brown for 5 minutes before turning on to the opposite side. You want to ensure that you relax them into the pot properly, as you want each of them to brown evenly. So after 5 minutes, I am now turning the chicken on the opposite side. As you can see, it has started to brown and looking very good. You want to ensure that you flip over each pieces of chicken, as you do not want to leave none unturned, because you want to prevent your chicken from burning. So after flipping over each of them, I will leave to brown for another 5 minutes. So the chicken is now brown on both sides, so I will just turn them once more before adding some tomatoes. This is how our chicken is looking, juicy, and the color is looking very beautiful. So as you can see, there is no need to add a whole lot of browning, because once you are doing your braising process very well, your chicken will come out looking very brown. So here I am adding my tomatoes. So after giving a good stir, I will cover and allow to sweat for 5 minutes. I believe the tomato will, however, help the chicken to look more moist and give it a much more beautiful color than it has right now. Hence the reason for adding my tomatoes at this point in time and covering to sweat. So after 5 minutes, this is how our chicken is looking. The tomato, as you can see, has given the chicken a very beautiful color, and it is looking very moist and good. So here I'm adding 2 cups of water to the chicken. As you can see, I've added the 2 cups of water to the container that I used to season the chicken, so I can get the additional flavor from the seasoning for the chicken. I'll also be adding some sweet peppers, some chopped garlic, some chopped onion, also some scallion, some chopped ginger, and some chopped thyme. I will now give this a stir before adding in my ketchup and Scotch bonnet pepper. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 cuts of Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll also be adding 2 pimento leaves. If you do not have pimento leaves, then be sure you can use your pimento berries. Just ensure that you crush them if you do not like them whole. So after giving this a stir, I will cover and leave to cook on medium heat for 10 minutes before checking on its progress. So after 10 minutes, this is our chicken. It is not yet done, but it is coming along well. Also, I should have mentioned that the amount of water you add to your chicken is all dependent on the size cut of your chicken, how long your braising process lasts for, and the amount of chicken you're cooking. I will cover to braise for another 5 minutes and then show you the progress. So here we have our fully done brown stew chicken, looking very delicious and succulent. And as you can see, our sauce is fully reduced and is able to coat the spoon. Usually, brown stew chicken does not take a very long time to cook, especially if your cuts are small and you have given it a very good braising process. So this is the end of my video today, guys. I do hope you will find this recipe very helpful and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.